Sit. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanky. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Te está poniendo viejo. Oh, guy. He's being so gentle with it. He's like, with age, you learn.
He's looking at the heart. Oh, he hearted it.
Aww, your sissy
Now
made
he's got
that
red
cake.
lips.
I got red lips.
Is that any good?
He's like, absolutely. I mean,
Hell yeah.
I just,
He said, well, I don't know what today is, but man.
It's your birthday, buddy.
Are you gonna bite the cake? Jeez.
I mean, I don't have hands. I got
He is
supposed.
about to lick all the cream off of it. There goes more.
He's like,
Is that good, dude?
Is it heavy?
He's like, I just lick here.
All right, I'm gonna put him down now.
No way.
No?
Let him have a piece. Show the world that he can eat with his spoon and fork. Eat your, oh my goodness, that's so good. He's like,
Big crush too.
Heck yeah, bring it closer.
Oh,
Yes.
shit.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh,
Yeah,
now you got it.
yeah, I got this. This one.
You see his teeth?
Heck yes.
He's like, oh, damn.
Hell yeah.
The girls are like, where's our
He
pieces?
said, oh, this whole thing is edible?
Oh, man. Oh, my goodness.
Okay.
Yeah. Dude, you went straight savage, then you went ham on that thing. He's like, yo,
The girls get a piece.
Look, come
of
here.
course.
You get a piece. Come on, Blue. You can sit on the chair.
Look.
We actually gonna let you sit on the chair. She like, for real? I'm not gonna get kicked out or anything? I'm gonna sit like a good girl. Thanks, Doc. Man, I'm
I
gonna
was
eat it
gonna
with
take
you.
a bite of that.
He's like, man, I thought it was my birthday.
He's like,
Okay, I don't want to get down, Dad. I feel special and stuff.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah, my hips might hurt a little bit, but you know, I mean, cake is good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, buddy. Heck to the
You guys know
yes.
that's gonna be taken from him again.
That's for Daisy.
How much
And
do
that's-
you really want to give him, though?
Let him have it. It's his birthday.
I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about what comes out the back end after this.
it's just peanut butter and yogurt.
And
Outside, I
applesauce.
work all day. Downstairs, you're here. Clean up, aisle 7.
He's like, I also promise to let you know
Are you full
that I gotta go poop.
You look like you're slowing down a little bit, right?
Look at the blue. She just put it on.
No, not really.
No.
He ain't slowing
hell
down.
no. You sure want to say something from
Oh
the
my
mom?
goodness, look at his face. Take. Your face is so cute. He says, Sissy, you outdid yourself.
Right here.
This is the bomb.
Right?
Said ain't no words for it.
Blue crush.
Yes, she did.
Yeah, they like that, huh?
Somebody wants to eat it.
It is so cute watching him eat it.
Aw, Tinky, you can have some more tomorrow.
He's like, I need some water now.
You thirsty, buddy?
Yeah, that was
Is
good.
that good,
And
buddy?
did Daddy pick you up? Daddy pick you up? Whoop. He's a good boy.
It's like,
He's like, hell yeah.
licking her plate.
Oh, Daisy's still eating hers because she a little lady.
Blue's a...
She's like, oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, Tanky. He's like, oh, look at him. He's so happy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that shit was so good.
Oh, this is the life.
The only way to finish it off is by a good rub session. Right?
Uh-huh.
Rubbing the peanut butter and the grease all over the
All over my carpet.
He's like, what?
Ay, qué lindo. Happy buddy. All right.